Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out a skin install for the iPhone 17 Air. Now this is a dummy device. Okay, that means it doesn't turn on, but it is the perfect tool not just to review cases with, but to do a skin install. That way you know what your iPhone 17 Air is going to look like with a skin that I choose that Xtremeskins sent over to me because they gave me quite a few. Huge shout out to Xtremeskins for giving me the opportunity to represent. All the information to purchase one or more skins will be down below in the description area. You want to make sure that you're doing the skin install from Xtremeskins during the time of day that it's quiet, there's not a lot happening, so you can take your time and enjoy the process. For me, this is very important. Obviously, you want a clear case or somewhat clear so you can see the skin you choose for your iPhone 17 Air. This is the Ringke Air Clear Case, which means you're going to be able to see all of the skin that for me today that I'm going to apply, and for you, whatever you choose to purchase and put on your iPhone 17 Air. And can't forget this part, the inside back is going to push up against the skin, meaning it's going to help the sticking process, the adhering process, as far as the skin on the back of your iPhone 17 Air. The skin also will be a protective type of investment for the back of your iPhone 17 Air as well. So anyway, let's get a good look at the packaging here, which this came in an envelope and it says Xtremeskins Precision Style Protection, www.xtremeskins.co.uk. Skins are coming out of the UK, so you want to give about a week. If you order on a Monday, by the end of the week, you should have the skins, but every once in a while, it does take a couple extra days to get to your home. So have a little bit of patience with shipping. On the inside, you get some alcohol prep wipes, and again, depending on how many order your skins. Thank you for your order. You're awesome. How to apply our skins. You can scan that QR code there. That will definitely help. Now you've received your skin, apply it, snap it, share it. Problem with your order? Please contact the team via email, info@xtremeskins.co.uk, quoting your order number. Save on your next order, 20% off your next order. Use code FLYER20. And you got some more information back here, so please read everything. And there's many different ways that you can follow Xtremeskins on social media. Very nice. We only need one. You're going to have to provide your own microcloth. I'm going to use this guy right here. Many different type of textures, colors, designs. These are a few. Got this matte gray. Carbon fiber. Gloss black. Gloss white. And I think this one here is brushed titanium. Yeah, that is nice. So I'm going to choose brushed titanium. Put the other ones away. Again, there are many other choices. So what you want to do is find something that has a little bit of grip. And we want to place my iPhone 17 Air like that. And we're going to get a close-up. And then we're going to begin the process. So what I'm going to do is speed up the video a little bit, add some music for your entertainment, music that's a little bit fast-paced, and then we'll get a good look at how everything looks, and then we'll test out the Air case from Ringke. See how everything looks. As I was getting ready to put this little guy on, I decided, why not mix it up? That's another option, folks, is buying two different skins and creating your own skin for your iPhone 17 Air. So yeah, I decided to just not use this and go with the gloss white.
Oh yeah.
That looks great. I love it. Feels great. Adds a little extra texture on the back so it's not slippery. Even the glossy skin for the camera area there is grippy. So even if you went without a case, and I wouldn't recommend it, but if you did, you're definitely going to have some extra grip to your iPhone 17 Air. I would definitely use the blow dryer if you're not going to use a case. That way you get the adhesive nice and hot, so it sticks, adheres to the back of your iPhone 17 Air, and this area sticks really well. So let's go ahead and put that on. And now you got protection for your investment. You got an amazing looking skin on the back and on the camera area. And it's pressing up against the skin. So again, that sticking process is taking place while you're using your iPhone 17 Air. And I got to tell you, folks, that right there is solid. That is filthy. Look at that. Wow. I'm digging it. Look at that. Huh? Can't go wrong, folks. Huge shout out to Xtremeskins. Again, all the information that you need for purchasing whatever skin you want to purchase. There'll be a link for the case as well from Ringke as far as the Ringke Air for the iPhone 17 Air. Thanks for watching, everybody. Really appreciate it. Yeah, that is nice. Look at that. Got to get the thumbnail. All right. God bless. Peace. I am out.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.